Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Johnny. A lot of people know me as Pyramids. I stream on Twitch. I've been taking pictures since 2011, and I've been sort of here and there doing design work, but I've only been doing it in Photoshop. But recently, back in September, I downloaded Illustrator, and it changed everything for me. Like, it made me want to learn more about the craft, and I don't know, like, I was like scared to learn Illustrator because I didn't know how to use it. I even had a design course in school and we were learning Illustrator, and I was so comfortable with Photoshop I didn't even want to use Illustrator, so I just told the teacher, can I use Photoshop, because I know how to use Photoshop. And I was so stubborn, and that was like 4 years ago, so I just did every project on Photoshop and she was fine with it. But I wish she would have told me that you need to learn Illustrator, because learning it now, it changes the way I work on things. Vectors are crazy, like not having to deal with pixels and not having to set your resolution to a certain size in Photoshop before you work on a document. Or I just like that how you can just edit every layer in Illustrator. Like, you don't have to, like, if you mess something up or if you see something wrong, you can just go and edit it. You can click on the item and just, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, you guys get it. I live in Alaska. I just moved here back in August of last year. My mom's side of her family lives here. I moved from Florida. I was in Miami. Me and my dad were living there, and I was like, I've never experienced Alaska. I was born here and I left when I was an infant because my dad was in the military, and I just want to experience Alaska, the nature, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So today I just want to make a video as an intro, but also I want to get into making more logos, more design work, so that I can just build a portfolio, you know, because I'm not gonna get work if I don't have work to show. Like, if I want to make a logo for someone, I'm just gonna show them. I'm not gonna show them anything because I don't have any work done. So I just want to make logos. I've seen those example prompts, like practice prompts. I gotta figure out where you get those from. Like, it's like a fake prompt that you have to make a logo for a client, and doing those I feel like will help me fill out my portfolio. Okay, this is actually my logo that I came up with like less than a week ago, and I'm so happy with how it came out. Like, let me show you my old logo. Where is it? Channel logo. And this is the last logo I had. I was like, I need something to just have to show people, like to brand myself as, but I don't know, I just whipped this up one day, like 30 minutes, and it's okay, but I don't know, I just wanted to make something better. So, and that logo only had one pyramid, so it didn't really make sense, so I wanted to have more than one pyramid. I guess I can go through this logo for you a little bit. It's just pyramids, plural, 2 pyramids. And then these stars right here are actually part of the Alaska flag. This is the Big Dipper, and then the North Star right here. The Alaska flag is just a blue square with these stars on it, and they're yellow. And then this is what I had before. I just had this, and then I thought I was missing something, so I was like looking around at other logos, and then I saw the NASA logo. I was like, that has a swoosh, like orbit ring around it, like a Saturn ring. So I was like, let me try to do something with that, and then I added this and the little shadow underneath, and I don't know, I'm pretty happy with how this came out. And I'll put some mock-ups on the screen that I'm pretty happy with, and I want to make them come to life soon. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with where I'm at with Illustrator right now. So I just want to make more to fill up my portfolio so I can get more design work. And yeah, I'm really loving designing stuff. In the past, I was in love with photography. I still am in love with it, but I just don't take pictures anymore. So I'm glad I found something else that I could do that's artistic. Like, I really have a lot of fun with graphic design, and yeah, I'm glad I found it. Okay, so today I'm actually gonna make a logo for a friend of mine. His name is Sneaky Snake. Like, he's one of my Twitch friends. Like, he's a good friend of mine, but he doesn't have a logo. He just has He has like pretty much like a meme logo with an anime theme. Okay, I just need to remake it. I don't know if he'll use it, but I just want to practice on something. So pretty much my idea is I want to find a font with an S that is like this. Where's my? I'm on. Okay. I'm still a beginner with Illustrator, so bear with me. I don't boast that I know a lot of things about Illustrator. Like, if you have any suggestions about any tools that I should be using, any shortcuts, please leave them in the comments. Yeah, but this is the idea I had. Okay. So I just want to find a font that's like this, has S's like this. So his name is Sneaky Snake, so the S's will be like this. And I want to try to figure out how to make them curve into a snake. So basically, Sneaky Snake. And I want to figure out how to make these into a, I don't know what that path is right there. See if I can make these two into a snake somehow. And then put like a, okay, let me just find a good font and I'll be back. Okay, we're back. I think I found a decent font. This one's called Hevitas. And I feel like this S can be turned into a snake somehow. If I could figure out how to connect these two, I can make this work. So let's try this. Because I'm thinking if I do this and then, let's see. If I can duplicate this and then I can use this curve right here to connect these two. Okay, let's see if I can draw this. So this is the outside. I don't know, something like that. But I'll have to clean up these lines. But that's not too bad. Okay, I need to merge these so I can fix the anchors. So I'm gonna use the smooth tool to smooth this out. Get rid of some of those anchor points. And right here too. Just get rid of the jagged edges. There's one right here too. Okay, so let me put the tail on there. So I'm gonna do a sharp tail like this, just with no detail on it. Just like something like that. And for the head, do I want like something angry? His name is Sneaky Snake. I don't know how angry a sneaky snake would be. Maybe I'll just do something like this. Something simple. Okay, so it just does like this. Something like that. I'm not good at drawing at all, just so you guys know. I feel like this is why I want to do graphic design, because I cannot draw. I can put shapes together. That's about it. So, but yeah, that's not too bad for a snake head. That's okay. But see this right here, I don't know how to fix this other than merging them. So I'll just select both shapes, merge it, and then I'll just smooth it out, because that's what I know how to do. And it just works, you know? I could have deleted that anchor point. That'd probably be easier. Let me just do that. Delete these and then smooth this out. Okay. Okay, so I recently started to liking the, what is this called? The curvature tool. Instead of using the anchor points, I just use this tool to angle like paths instead of using the anchor points. Like it, you just drag it and it's pretty simple. Yeah, so I cleaned that up. The width was a little weird looking. This is a little weird right here, but it's fine for now. I just want to show you like how I would go into designing a logo. And this is like my, I'm gonna say my 4th logo. This is like my 2nd logo in Illustrator, but I made maybe 4 total. So we got a lot to learn. I'm pretty happy with how this came out. Maybe I'll put the tongue on there. That forked tongue. Let me make it a little sharper. Yeah, something like that. Let me smooth this out. Get rid of this sharp edge. Wait, let me just do this. Yeah, something like that. Did I put an eye on it? I kind of like this eye. Something like that. Let's bring that in there. And then select both and then just get that out. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now let's try to get this type to look okay next to it. Let's fix some of this kerning. Okay, it's not working. Hello? Okay, I'll just create outlines again because I don't know what happened. Let me just move these over so it's a little tighter looking. Okay, kind of like that. And then Nake. Okay, I didn't save the size, so I don't know. I'm just eyeballing it now. Let me just create outlines of these. Okay, so a little bit smaller. Okay, this needs to go down a little bit. Maybe I'll turn these sideways because the S's look a little crooked. So let's see how that looks. Let me actually copy these. And let me make a new artboard so I can put it in a square and just see how it looks on different colors. Okay, so let's see. Let's take these and turn them a little sideways. Let's do it by a certain amount of degrees, maybe like 12. A negative 12. Maybe like negative 8. I don't know if I like this negative space here. It's kind of large, but okay, let's group these and then center in the artboard and then let's give a little bit of color. Let me get a background. I'm gonna have to work on the colors. It kind of looks like Nike Nake. You can't really see the S in that S, but how can I fix that? Yeah. So you know the S is from that. Is part of the snake. Okay, so I feel like that's better. Yeah, I don't know about the colors. Don't make fun of me. I'll just keep it white for now. Let him choose the colors. But yeah, Sneaky Snake. I guess that's what I'll go with for now. I'll probably come back to it later and fiddle with some more stuff with it. But yeah, that's my process of building a logo, I guess. Let me know what you think of this, what I can improve. This is like my 2nd logo in Illustrator besides my own, so let me know what you think. One of the main reasons I'm making this video is I've been inspired a lot lately by these YouTubers. Brandon Shepherd, Will Patterson, Kel Lauren. I've seen her in the past, but that was before I knew Illustrator, or before I started learning it. So I'm back watching her videos. And Zimri Mayfield, I'm hooked on Zimri. Like, his redesigning videos are so good. Like, I've watched all 39 of them. Like, they're so good, and his energy and his process just draws you in, and I don't know, it just made me want to get into this and make some videos. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. I'm gonna try to make the videos like around 10 minutes, but for this first one it'll be a little longer since it has an introduction in the beginning. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It'll mean a lot if you guys hit the sub button and see where I go with this, see my growth, and just watch me and help me along the way. Yeah, so that's it for this video. See you next time.